any policy in a library should be based on not only the law, but also your policy on policies. And it seems redundant, but it is necessary. That policy on policies will talk about how a policy is reviewed, adopted, revised, terminated, deleted. You may have a bylaws or a memorandum of agreement with other government agencies or entities. You may have other governance documents that should all relate back, and they should be consistent with your policy on policies. And that authority then of the board to engage in the development of a policy through the open meeting law, through committee work, through collaboration with staff and administration in helping develop a policy that's workable for the library. And when you have that policy then completed, it should be accessible. Everyone should be able to read it. Everyone should be able to access it through the website, through hard copy at the library. Having that policy accessible helps make sure people understand it, but also it helps make sure that it's an active document, that it's always in people's minds, and that you're reviewing it regularly, consistent with your the library standards, but also to help make sure it's consistent with your practices. If you do have employee handbooks, collective bargaining agreements, or other governance documents for personnel, they should also be reflective and consistent with your policies. And so that the policies, you don't have a question come up of to, well, what governs here, the policy or the handbook and the bargaining agreement. Always making sure that you have that thorough review and anticipating all of those different issues that can come up, and having a policy that's nimble enough to allow you to achieve the goal of efficient operations.